So now I have 3 sisters remaining and myself. Then
Baba neja doko sama nagira.
Baba daga chiel ya Catholic.
The Catholic. Kweli garionga.
Iliyo gari soma Catholic cha kwa maana that rule. Kwa daga chiel mama na kenje maponi ngimanya sana.
Amen.
Yeah. Kaito after that time we could not make it in Nairobi. Then we had to go back to Nyakach. Yeah. So I went back to Nyakach in 1975, and I joined a school called Kabondo Primary School. And there I met my friends like Asaka Nyangara, who is works in the World Food Program. I met William Ochieng. I met many guys. Obala, who is the UPT principal at Starai Boys, and many more friends. Moko Kanyara Ngekumaginchiere. Then I proceeded, then achieved CPE, then back to Nairobi. Back to Nairobi, now problem starts.
Problem starts in Nairobi.
After CPE.
After CPE, Makori work dala Nyakach.
Work dala. Ko pes fee. Go to school, lakini kuro nge pesa mai chulugo fee. My mom, nge pesa. She was, she's uneducated. Mimi machonka. Kuro nge konyara afford fee.
Mama na Nyakach.
Nyakano. Mama ochoni ma ane okay kano mukedu kano.
May not be Nyakano.
Yeah. Yeah. Then. Let's leave that part there. Then,
to Baba Natimam.
Baba to not your casino, not your casino hotel, then chef. Go for a very long time until he went away. You cannot talk. Kaito Kanama Block, Nairobi, and a few kilo tabu. I started to compare estate. Then kwa Gompira Estate, Wachakuti, Mago, Mag Island, Kamanadake, Uhuru Estate to be particular. Then Wagompira, Wanyayudo.
Samakori, ya dala kori di Nairobi, Nairobi kori dage.
Nairobi dake odwa, mane baba wenwa.
Okay.
Uhuru Estate.
Uhuru Estate.
To much of for the look at rent in 300. But it was a lot of money then.
A lot of money then.
Yeah. Right to Wagompira. Then one time, around 1986, there's a company called NCR. Getting in charge of all the ATMs in the country. They said they had an opening, then they employed me. They employed me as a clerk.
Maka isiti ku school, secondary ku sepodi.
Podi.
Podi school chandi kandi mine from adik.
Mine from 1.5.
He said to teach.
They said to teach. Then I joined NCR. When I joined NCR as a clerk, I found learned people in that place. I found 50% were white.
50% were white.
Yeah. And other Kenyan engineers from the university and many, many people. Then I was posted into the engineering department in NCR, Kenya, in Ajip House. Then after working as a clerk, then I enrolled into NCR Computer Science Institute. In that institute, institute kaya doje school mai so me computer, tunasoma mokumiliwo ni programming, na kile
programming,
yeah, like a Unix operating system. When I joined, there was no DOS. What computer is? There was no DOS. We used to have CPM when we started this computer. There were no personal computers around. There were computers around the country. Then those people sponsored me and I trained. That was 87, 88, 89. Come 1990, they employed me permanently.
Wow.
And when they employed me, we started deploying the ATMs. You see the ATMs around the country. It was called MoneyLink. Then MoneyLink. And they machine moko magolo pesa. Kwa wale mwana wachaku kilogie penga.
Okay.
Wale mwana puonje wakati tiyo kodi. Yeah. Kwa wale mwana wacherugi kama wale yungani MoneyLink. Kani wenye kumo mwana dasa. Kani unene kichope. Kani bido launched. Then kwa se chiku manu endo. Kwa usendika permanent kwa ati yo NCR. Then kaka wabi nyimbe gisomo. Then come 1992. Ayodo niluo gine telex. Ne fax onge. Fax machine. Or email gine onge. Then ayodo telex kwa Dayton, Ohio, USA. Nikechika seti bedukanya for those 2 years I've come to learn the asenga yogaki theory computer. Kwa na wacha ko install moko vai tiyo miti moni call management system. Maji kaogo simu sama jo company ni kitabu mal computer. Ane manai alose. Ko ne wa maintain NCR. Then kasi munugu ku US.
Kiwa ini mane lost ndeni manone ujuzi mari.
Manone the first one in Africa. Nikitine o nagodo. Monda some, monda implement. For the entire region.
Wow.
So alose kuse nagodo alose kaka negedu waro for 2 years. That is 91 and 92. Kuse cha kutiyo kama ne wati yeno endo NCR engineering department. Then ora Côte d'Ivoire,
Mano Congo.
Mano Ivory Coast. That is 92. Then ka achupu Côte d'Ivoire to the problem called management system. The NCR is worldwide.
Koro ogoli Kenya kai di Côte d'Ivoire.
Mwana konyi. Koro gabi kuchuleta konyi gimaber ma computer gino tiyo magi chakoran the management system called management system. Then ulifo mke kadogo Kenya.
Niyo ichake do Kenya.
Akigadogi.
Wiziki kido Kenya.
Abi Ghana. Ni Ghana bini kitabu.
Ghana bini kitabu elen.
NCR Ghana. Then from Ivory Coast to Ghana, it's like an hour. Then I love Ghana. Then at the office where they're having the kitabu going to then I lost one again. Kasi chiyo. Moko nigi moko masort simple do.
Tunoka giana
yeah. Achiyo kanyo. I think kunoka wa midi. I think kunoka wa 10 minutes. Then kwa achiyo kutene I stayed there for ada kanyo Dalaweo. And kaito Abigo Kenya. That's 92. The following week I was in my office in my place of work. I didn't have an office that time. But I was working in the same general office.
Kama na ikaro kedi di Côte d'Ivoire chake di Ghana chulto nigi chuli mabe.
Kama donjo NCR nigi chaka 90 shillings per day.
90 shillings per day.
Bayo 96. Kaito kani chichi kuchigo then I think by the time I Ghana I think my salary was like 4,025
from 90.
That is 92.
From 92. Work from 90 shillings. Or mano manage 90.
Yeah, kaitoka after some time. Pecho po 92 mo sende kama bera pena either 4,025 and 25 I think, but a lot of money that time. A lot
of money.
Then kaduogo then at your NCR the normal work. Kaito moti more. Maybe a penny pokungo you have computer to you. After we go inside, you have to get out to Ethiopia. Then Timoreka Mano for 10 years. So from 92 Nyakasani.
Timoreka Mano, you been in Ethiopia 10 for 10 years?
I've been in Ethiopia for a week. Can you go? I check the everywhere. I was going to Egypt and Russia and Cairo and South Africa and Nigeria. I wish Manda Kiel, this is the passport I'm using now is the 6th passport, which all the 5 are full.
Wow.
Because now you don't chance my to entire world. Sometimes I could be in Morocco and I think I'm in Tunisia. Kaya to wabi nyime kamano. Kaya tachio GNCR for about 16 years. Then now we work. We buy over Penyente. They are here. Then I build transfer.
Usipamita majengo kwa ndio chini ni yolko.
Kadua bikana sana kimia teach ma wangu thugi ndege. Okabikao. Nikinyan kai penmo okabitimu. I had natimo moromo.
Gombo te gombo mi timu mi romo.
Then after that I built transferred no all Ethiopia. They would set the ATM nikiyonge god. Pesa machine magulo pesa neonge kwa bikuno ndo mawa set code ngabel mawenjo gitiyo kwa kanyo gitiyo by the money dalumana Ethiopia. So on this other side now rojoga America. Yeah, nikechole that time my sister in the US.
Oh, your sister ni ndo ka bitimo gienana in US.
In US and Jane Odesi. Kada vile imekuja around 99 to a bit called it when there was a nice opportunity. Mantino Nyalo progress kwa mabel. Kaya tuonje tu nisa nikare wache monde itindubi. Kabla Kenya then that kama kuna wacha for this thing of immigration. Kwa Ethiopia after 2 years I resigned
from NCR
and joined my
sister
and my family.
Kuro Samir resign gi pesa mabende kuro lichuli mang'eny kabisa na odokise odo tich America.
Oyudo ka kambi matiyo ne NCR. Then part of it was like an AT&T. Then there was some connection. When the Pokayoti, but there.
What you liwalo
pesa chande ma gume ya chande kuru beda. But I blame the joint family because already my wife and my children. Tamba vile kaka banu. Yeah.
Pesa benindie.
Pesa to tabu ainya. Then Kachopo, I stayed Dagnyamenua for some time. Again Nitenda. Then after some 3 months I relocate. I got Bomatin, 1 bedroom, Nitenda then into a basement to Adaka. Then that was America 203 to settle, but I've been going there many times.
But 203 to settle.
Yeah. Then Kachopo, US, I sit down, I settle a beach, I get to Nintendo school. Then look at my current job, not you, I can say manual job. Yeah, at your manual job, you get in Kenya, America, to what you want to be a professional and start working. Who knows you? You don't even know that. You don't know how to do it.
Yeah,
the accent.
The accent, you take my bag.
You listen to you. You help yourself, the culture. Then when I adapted the American life and got my green card, then I joined AT&T. But after working for manual job for about 3 years, I joined IBM for about a year. Then I joined AT&T. So I've been now with AT&T for 14 years.
14 years.
It is an American telephone and telecommunication company. It's the biggest company of telecommunication in the world. Yeah. We control websites. We control WWW, the tunnel, the fiber cable. We control a lot. But those are company details. But we are proud for AT&T. Then after we settled, then because I settled my bill, then the chapo paro to America kaindi unge raha yo Kenya dakadaka. Kwa unge katamana tom unge jiobate.
Yani jigina busy.
Gina teach. Then go chopo around 208 or 207. with my friend Paula.
Mano kechi wacho ni settle America 2003 koro mana after 4 years.
Yeah, but I settled in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
Koro after 4 years mana 2007.
Yes.
Koro kubiro gi paro.
With my friend Paul Alwala. Then we sat and we involved my friend Doko Dote. And Ben Dote was still alive. And who else? My friend Peter Ndachi. Sorry. My friend Peter Ndachi and others. Then we brought Banakadori.
Banakadori kore mana
Mokuongo
do America.
Yeah.
Mukelu.
Udindo biwe tege. Tujoka kapasala gi. Gingi biwe di aboro. Biro wakelo gi.